Ti amo. Something wrong with you? Oh my god. Come on. What?
I'm all the way over into the double doors now.
Get up, get up. Wait, she needs to move so they know there's two cats. Or one cat, it looks like two.
Don't take a picture of her butt.
I'm not taking a picture of her butt. Ti amo. Hey. Oh my gosh.
I told you it's
Ti amo. Hey. Ti amo. Treat. Ti amo, treat.
She's like, nope, screw it.
Ti amo, treat. You treat? You want a treat? Get up. She's looking at me. Come here. Come here. Come here. She just got weird.
What is that?
Glenn, you have got to come see this cat. Come here.
What is she doing?
I don't know. You would think that's two cats.
I'm so confused.
Ti amo.
I think she could. Hi, Ti amo. You can get up. You can get up. Hello. Wake.
I don't think that's normal.
Oh, get me a treat for the cat. Ti amo. Hi, baby. Treat. Give me the whole base. Treat, Ti amo. You want a treat?
Well, you got her attention.
Treat. Treat. What's this, Ti amo? Get your treat. Get your treat.
Jazzy wants one.
Here, Ti amo.
Give one to Jazzy.
This is a goofy cat. Here, Ti amo.
Just smack her with it. Now you gotta turn around and get it.
Okay, there. No flashes. There's one cat.